He's still behind that tree. He's still behind that tree. Okay, hang on. Two of them. Ready? Yep. Damn, it won't be still. There you go. Motherfucker. They're fixing to go. There's still one more. Alright guys, we're back with 615 Woods and Water. And we got Nick and TJ down this weekend for opening a muzzleloader. Ryan's got TJ with him. I've got Nick with me. And we got set up this morning. Nick killed him a coyote this morning. We got that on film. We're in the hunting house this evening. Again, we're going to try to kill some does. So, y'all stick with us. Just let me know when you're getting ready. Where the fuck is he? Huh? Hold on, what's behind it? A fawn, I think. It's a fawn. Let me kill her. Yep, go ahead. Alrighty guys, it is the 23rd. We are back in the same spot we was this morning. We recovered TJ's doe, and we didn't really video any of the recovery due to the fact that the 2.5 hours we let it lay there, the coyotes have done shredded it up pretty bad. So we're gonna buckle in this evening and see if we can't kill another one. So y'all stay with us. What about that one in the back? Let me look. No, it's a buck. You gonna shoot her? Alright, go ahead. What do you think about that, old buddy?
Well, we were packing up, getting ready to go back to the house. And all we're ducking. Same deal. As soon as we say we're packing up, here they come. Oh, we want one more big doe for the freezer. And I believe I got her. Good eye, cameraman.
It's a friggin' bug. It's a spider. That's what he was looking at. You gotta turn his head just right where you can see him. See it?
Well guys, this is TJ and Ryan with 615 Woods and Waters. We're up here on our annual meat hunt, opening weekend rifle season. It's been a good weekend, Ryan. Appreciate you taking us. I've killed 2 does, filled the freezer, helped with their doe management. We've had a blast. Seen a lot of deer. I got lucky and killed 2. Anything you want to say, buddy?
All I can say is it's been a heck of a weekend. We've been busy. We've seen a lot of deer, and we've had a lot of fun, a lot of fellowship. So
that's right. Guys, stick with us and you get to see these hunts in action.
Alright guys, it's November 30th. We got everybody in the blind with us this evening. Got my oldest son, Red, my dad, so we're out here looking for a doe. So y'all stay with us and see if we get a doe. I got her, buddy.
Her down.
Deer down.
deer down, baby.
Deer down, deer down.
Yay!
What do you think, buddy?
Good.
Give me.
And go get her. Bring her back to the house.
We're gonna go get her and take her back to the house.
You don't want to wait and shoot another one?
No.
Alright guys, so didn't have to hunt long. We got our doe. You want to say anything about our hunt, buddy? You gonna tell them? Talk to the camera. Tell them what you think.
You need help too.
I've been talking.
You need help too.
Is that a good shot?
Uh-huh.
Well, look at that camera. You gotta look at it. Talk to him.
Yeah, tell them all about it.
Tell him how that deer come out and Daddy shot it.
No, you
Oh, you being bashful?
Alrighty, guys. So,
Hey, where'd that deer get shot at?
where do you shot at?
Point up there where the deer was. Up there? Is that where the deer was at?
Alrighty, guys. Well, we got our doe. We're going to get her field dressed and take her back to the house. So thank y'all for watching.
Alright guys, we're back with 615 Woods and Water. We just got it set up in the food plot, me and Dad. We'll see if we can get Dad there this evening. So it's November 30th and Saturday evening. Y'all stick around. What you're wanting to shoot? Do you want to shoot a doe? That's up to you. Do you want to know? That's the question. Do you want to know? Alright guys, we're back with 615 Woods and Water. It's Saturday evening, November the 30th, and earlier we said we was going to try to get Daddy a deer and do a little doe management. Daddy got him a nice big old doe this evening, and Ryan got him one. He took his son, and you got anything you want to say?
A big thank you to Ryan and Dawson and 615 Woods and Water for making this possible for an old man. Thank y'all.